Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel DentalExpress. Today we are present with another equipment called Ultrasonic Cleaner model CD4820 that comes from Codison. This ultrasonic cleaner works on the principle of frequency. This is used for cleaning the stains on all the equipments like your PMT sets, tweezers, elevators, like your impression trays or even the handpieces. This is just to clean the debris on the upper surface of the equipment. Like as today we are going to clean the debris on the handpiece, and it has got 4-5 seconds on this. You can set the timer from 180 seconds or 280 seconds, 380 seconds, 480 seconds or even 90 seconds. This is the option to work with heater or without heater. If you want to work with this heater, then press this button TC for once. The red light will glow here. Just when you have put the timer to say 180 seconds, there is an on button and an off button. You can put it on after putting the instrument inside the chamber. We'll just start this by putting it on. It will start the ultrasonic vibrations in the water and the time will get reduced. When it comes to 0, it will come to stop. Or even if you want to stop it before, you have the option to just put it off and you can put it off. So that means you can put the timer, put the working anytime during the procedure. So you can see when it has come to 0, it will come to auto stop. So we'll just remove the lid and we'll check the handpiece. You can see the handpiece, the upper stains have been removed. You can see the condition of the handpiece when it was put before and now. The stains have been removed. Now you can put it in the autoclave, do the autoclave and start your procedure. That's all. Thank you very much for watching our video. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more and more videos in the coming time. Thank you very much.